Hello everyone, I am Marjun M. De La Peña. I hope you're all doing great today. I just want you to share something about the importance of communication in our lives. It is a foundation of all relationship, whether we're with our friends, family, or colleagues. When we communicate well, amazing things can happen. First, let's talk about listening. I'm not just talking about hearing words, but I talk about listening. When we make time to understand what others are saying or how they feel, it shows that we care for them. It builds trust and make our connection stronger. So, next time, if you're in a conversation, put away those distractions and be present. You'll be surprised at how much it can improve your relationship to someone. Another key aspect is clarity. We all been in situation that we say something to others and it's taken the wrong way for them to understand. Then to avoid misunderstanding, we need to be clear and concise in our communication to them. Choose your word thoughtfully and organize your thoughts and also be mindful of your tone. Clear communication helps us to get our point across without any confusion. The nonverbal communication is just as important as the word we speak. Our body language, facial expression, and gesture can say a lot. They can either support what we're saying or the sign signal we make. Being aware of non-verbal actions help us communication more effectively. We also need to be adaptable in communication. Different situations and people may require different approaches. Being open and willing to adjust our style can make a big differences. When we adapt, we can connect better with each other, navigate diverse environments more easily. In a classroom, effective communication is vital way for academic success. It's help us to participate actively in discussion, ask questions when we are unsure, and peer collaboration on group project. When we communicate well with our peers, we can better understand the materials and get the support we need. Additionally, strong communication skills are essential when presenting our ideas and research to others. In conclusion, communication is a powerful tool that shapes our interaction and experiences as a college student. By enhancing our communication skill, we can build stronger relationship and create more peaceful community. Let's all strive to be better communicators, listening actively, speak clearly, and adapting to those around us. Thank you for listening, and I hope you all have a fantastic day.